Hey y'all, it's Kay. So we're gonna hop straight into this video. I was sent some clip-ins, y'all, from CurlsQueen. Check below in my description box. So we're gonna go from this grown-out bob that turned into a dried-up wrap, and we're gonna add these clip-ins, and here is what the clip-ins are looking like, honey. It looks like a sew-in for real. Like, even my hair. Like, come on now. So keep watching to see how I installed these clip-ins. Alright, so my hair is already washed and blow dried. So yeah, my bob is really starting to grow out, y'all. Now, this is not, I didn't straighten this. This is just blow dried. It has a little bend to it because I've used the round brush. So that's what it's looking like. I'm really working on trying to grow my edges back because they is thin and I've been taking stuff and like putting stuff on my edges. That's why I'm so like strict about these wigs like laying on my hairline. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and straighten this, so I'm gonna speed it up. But if y'all wonder, I cut my hair into a bob probably like a couple months ago. I can't remember, like the beginning of the summer, I think. So yeah, it was like chin length, and now it's almost to my shoulders. So I mean, I feel I look much better like with my hair pulled back. I hate wearing my real hair. I don't know, like, look at it. It's just ugh. Yeah, that. All right, so you get 10 wefts, and y'all, this is thick from the weft all the way down to the tip. Do you see this? I think that this is 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. I got these when my hair was longer before I cut my hair in a bob. Now I wish that I would have got these shorter because I would like a thicker bob, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to cut all of this off, like, come on now, just for a bob. So we'll see. This is the largest one with 5 clips, and the clips look like this, y'all. And this is a smaller one, the smallest, which is a 2 clip, and it looks like that. Alright, y'all, here is what we looking like. These clip-ins blend in with my hair so perfectly. Now, I don't know if y'all can see this like brown. The hair is a little bit brown. I did go in off camera and add one clip in, but the color was a little off. I felt like I didn't want to cut the clip-ins because, as you can see, I did cut layers in the front, but I mostly cut the brown clip-in, which I did that on purpose because I knew that I wanted to wear these clip-ins over and probably not in this particular style, and I didn't want them to be too chopped and screwed, if you get what I'm saying. But the hair, one bundle will fit your whole head, y'all. I cannot stress that enough. It is super thick, super full. It feels great. I wore this hair all weekend, no, longer than that. Y'all, this hair is beautiful. The thickness, the quality of it, the clip-ins, not heavy at all. Lays flat. As you can see, my hair is laying. You heard me, laying. But anyway, this is the end of my video. Yes, that's all the hair, y'all. Thick. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video.